174 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 21st July 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 88 people recovered on 21st July 2020. Total confirmed cases in the state are 4,027. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,552. Total recovered cases stands at 2,449. Total 26 deaths are reported till 21st July 2020. One female 65 years from Gogul, Margao admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Margao with comorbid condition expired on 21st July 2020. One female 65 years from Billa, Zuarinagar expired while being shifted from GMC to ESI on 21st July 2020. One male 51 years from Kolim Mapsa brought dead on 20th July 2020 was found to be positive post-mortem. Out of 5,422 samples tested, 1,438 are negative, 174 are positive, 3,810 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 36. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 161. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 21st July 2020. Breakup of total 1,552 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 4, CSC Sakre 79, CSC Pernam 21, CSC Valpai 7, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 60, USC Panji 24, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 1, PSC Betki 11, PSC Kandolin 27, PSC Kansarvarnam 18, PSC Korwae 34, PSC Kolim 23, PSC Chimbal 79, PSC Shiolim 9, PSC Poruvarim 24, PSC Mayam 0, Travelers by Road Flight Train 140. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 14, CSC Kankona 8, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 55, USC Vasco 356, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 8, PSC Kansalim 10, PSC Chinchanim 3, PSC Kortalim 380, PSC Kurtorim 18, PSC Lutolim 8, PSC Marsayam 7, PSC Kwepam 13, PSC Sangam 0, PSC Shirora 9, PSC Darabandara 29, PSC Ponda 53, PSC Navilim 20. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.